Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to run financial reports in SAP. Let's get into it. First, log in and go to the search box. Open the program on your computer, type in your user details, and click on the long white search bar at the very top. Type the shortcode for your specific money sheet, like a balance report or a profit report, and hit enter on your board. Because the system holds thousands of different pages, you have to type the right shortcut code so the computer knows you are looking for money sheets instead of warehouse or shipping lists. Without this step, you would just be staring at a blank home screen instead of your company numbers. Next, pick your company and year numbers. Look for the box that asks for the company code and type in your store's number, then move down to the year box. Type in the current year or the past year that you want to inspect and make sure the numbers are correct. By filling in these boxes, you are filtering out the old data from other places that you don't need right now. It ensures that the system only gathers the numbers that matter for your current task. Next, set your time dates. Now you need to choose the exact months or days you want the report to cover so you don't get too much information at once. Click on the calendar boxes and select your start date and your end date. Choose a single month, a few months, or the whole year, depending on what your boss wants to see. Because money numbers change every single day, by setting the exact time window, you tell the computer to look only at the bills from those specific dates. It is the key step to getting the right output so your final sheet is easy to read and shows the correct timeline. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.